Alright, fan twerps, get your Jergens ready. I got a startup sound that is really, really cool. So I have this NOEVSBIG solder fume extractor that China sent. And lo and behold, all it really is a fan! Now what I'm going to do here is take out this filter because that blocks the sound of the airflow, and we wouldn't want you to be upset, you know, with all that. So there's that. And I'll tell you a little bit about it. First of all, there's a link to this in the prescription, of course. Runs at 3,300 RPM. It is an AC powered motor, variable speed, as you see right there. This is a 150 millimeter fan. You can convert that to... No, nobody can do Google. Alright, well, hell with this video. Oh, okay. So, yeah, it's an AC powered fan. Back in the day, we used to call these muffin fans. This is a very, very large one. Similar fans are used in computers, like desktop computers and stuff. If you look in the back, the little fan that goes around like that, it's got that. There's a guard on it. It's all metal. Guard on the back. Takes an IEC plug. And I don't know if it says wattage or anything. No, it's on the fan itself. It's really inconsequential. Metal, like I said, the grills are metal. The entire body of the fan is metal. Everything is metal everywhere. And this thing is really nice. Turns out this one was defective. China sent it, and it ran. I made the video, and then it started failing while I was making the video, actually right at the end. So of course I have to make a video to send to China. Let me roll that footage right here. Unfortunately, I think we got a problem with the solder fume extractor here. You heard that very, very loud vibrating noise before. There it goes again. And the fan practically stops when that happens. This unit appears to be defective. Can you send me a replacement, please? Thank you. Well, they did send a replacement, but we'll get to that. What you heard was dry bearings. For some reason, oil is a very, very precious commodity in China, and they couldn't lubricate this thing enough at all. You might just tell the sticker right here is just the tiniest bit knackered. I just peeled it back. There was then another sticker over the center hub, and I put a few drops of 3-in-1 red can oil in there, and now it runs beautifully. But like I said, China has sent another one, and I'll show that to you as well. But let's do the startup sound. So let me get the camera down closer to it, and you can hear it and things, and we'll do that. So like I said, it's variable speed. We'll start just clicking it on and letting it do low speed. It blows that way, so it won't blow at the camera. It's kind of subdued, but there were a lot of like type sounds that happened there. This is at the lowest speed, and yeah, it kind of does have a hum and a vibration. I can feel it right here. See, with that oil in there. Pretty damn nice. That just spins and spins and spins and spins. The other one I have not touched. It hasn't been taken out of the box yet. That might have even a more pronounced. Let's do it one more time on the lowest speed, and then we'll just run it up to high, and then we'll start it on high. It takes a while to get up to speed, but that's okay. We'll crank it up a little. See how it kind of takes its time? And there's maximum. Hold out till the blades stop before you pop. Can you hold on? I know it's a long time still yet. Oh, yeah. Ah, that was a nice, great video to watch. Let's turn it all the way on high. And I'll turn it around now for this, and then we'll get the other one, and that way we can cat pair. We'll do low again. Besides the noise, it actually moves a decent amount of air. If this were in some equipment to cool it, oh yeah. All right, let's go get the other one. See, here's everything all brand new. Filters. Round thing for the knob. Power cord. IEC plug. And the unit. There we go. So it's otherwise identical. Obviously, let's turn it on. Sounds just a little different, interestingly enough. Still pretty decent spin down on this one. Maybe the first one really just was defective, but I fixed it up all nice. I'll go do high now. And we'll turn it around. It's just enough cord. Here's low, as soon as it stops, because otherwise we'll have trouble. And we'll let that stop. We'll go to high all the way. And then we'll run them both and see if we can see what it sounds like with the cacophony of both of them. Turn them around. Side by side. Let's move them over a little. Good. Now I'm going to shut my outlet here. Turn them both on. Here we go. One of them is making a little that one is kind of making the purr sound. Curiously, this one vibrates more on the lowest speed than this one. This one is certainly quieter. I don't know, made on, you know, a Monday, I'm sorry, made on a Friday, made on a Monday. I really don't know. Let's go to high on both. Shut both at the same time. Look who stopped first. The one I oiled lasted longer. So they're on high now. Let's turn them on from stopped. Yeah, that's like computer server rooms. Very familiar with that sound. Oopsies. I'm very familiar with that sound. Let's turn them around. Start from low. That one took longer to spin down that time. Interesting. I don't know if you can hear the purring sound. Definitely that one. Definitely the one that I did not service is making that sound. So it's probably destined for the same fate. We'll crank these all the way up, and we'll turn them both on in a minute. And I guess we'll do one and then the other, you know, just because you have to. And now that stopped first, and that lasted longer. So we'll turn the one on, and then the other. Turn them around and do the same thing because just can't get enough. Don't stop till you get enough. Oh, definitely too young for that song. That was a great musical artist that we had years ago by the name of Michael Jackson. You might have heard of him, but probably not because you're listening to the crap they make today. So I don't know if this one is going to fail in short order like this one did. Probably should oil that one too. You could do that on your own time. That's pretty much it. Perhaps you want to hear it with the filters installed. So let's go ahead and stick that in. Okay, like that. And you mush it in over here. Put that in there. And that, and get that in. Okay, so now you can hear this one. You can tell more bladey sounding. More strained sounding. Now we'll go ahead and stick the filter back in that one too, so you can hear it how it's actually supposed to be run. It really doesn't sound nor feel happy with the filter in there. I have a feeling this is going to need oil. So pretty sure with both of these running, you won't have any solder fumes to worry about. Not that you're ever going to grow up to do that. Just going to watch fans spin all day. But solder fume extractor fans. I think the startup sound is much more pronounced than is heard on the camera, but there's only so much you can do with that as far as picking that up. So anyway, that's going to do it. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.